Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 ProMaster City Cargo Van Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include daytime running headlamps, bright white wheels, 16-inch x 6.5 inches silver steel, STD, speed control, upfit interface connector, black cloth low back bucket seats, quick order package 24C Tradesman cargo van included, engine 2.4 Li4 multi-air transmission, 9-speed 940 AT automatic supplemental side curtain front airbags, transmission, 9-speed 940 AT automatic, STD, and Parkson's rear park assist system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.